Are you looking for more ways to get veggies into your diet? Well, I have 6 delicious veggie-packed smoothies that I'm gonna make with you today. Let's get started.
And all of these smoothies have different types of veggies and different types of protein. So let's get started with the first one. First up is this creamy blueberry smoothie. So in that one, I'm combining 1 cup of cauliflower, and I'm using cauliflower rice for the veggies, 1 cup of frozen blueberry, half a cup of Greek yogurt, chia seeds, lemon juice, and water. Blending that up, and this one is one of my favorites. This next one is a mango carrot smoothie. So I'm using half a cup of mango, 1 banana, 1 cup of shredded carrots, and 1/4 cup of hemp seeds for protein, and I'm just adding some water to that as well. Next, we have another berry smoothie, but this one has spinach in it. So I'm using 1 cup of frozen berries, 1 cup of spinach, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and half a cup of almond milk. Next up, we're starting with some green smoothies, starting with this tropical green smoothie. I'm using 1 cup of frozen mango, which adds to its creaminess, half a cup of frozen cauliflower, 1 cup of spinach, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of protein powder, 1 cup of plant-based milk. Next up, we have a lighter green smoothie. So this is a pineapple cucumber smoothie. Half a cup of frozen pineapple, half a cup of cucumber, half of banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of greens, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and half a cup of almond milk. Enjoy. And our last smoothie today is this kiwi cucumber smoothie. So I'm using 2 kiwis and 1 cup of cucumber, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a cup of protein powder, and 1 cup of almond milk. You can either make these smoothies up ahead of time and keep them in the fridge for 2 days, or you can keep the ingredients in the mason jar and blend when you're ready.
Well, thank you so much for joining in to watch me make these 6 veggie-packed smoothies. So definitely head on over to my website, NicoleSinga.com, to grab the full recipes. All right, thanks so much. Bye, everyone.